second lap. Barbara is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 900. Stay at home, ma'am. Running by the rail, running alongside Apo Mystery. Senorita Alessi moving up party outside, then moving up alongside is Yes Papa. Gold B by the rail. Then comes entry number 8, and that's the favorite, All Out. As they race towards the last 450, we have Senorita Alessi. Yes, Papa, throwing a challenge on the outside. Apo Mystery drops back in third, racing in fourth is Stay at Home. As they swing for home, Senorita Alessi, Yes, Papa. Apo Mystery racing in third by the rail is Stay at Home, ma'am. With 150 to go, Senorita Alessi leading the field. Yes, Papa is on the outside. Senorita Alessi, Yes, Papa throwing a challenge, but it's still Senorita Alessi for race number 3. Yes, Papa took second. Gold B, then comes El Bimbo, Apo Mystery. All Out, Stay at Home, ma'am, and Barbara.